Hey, car enthusiasts, welcome back to Car Expert, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most celebrated SUVs in India, the Mahindra Scorpio NZ8. Known for its rugged performance, bold design, and advanced features, the Scorpio NZ8 is a powerhouse on wheels. Let's take a closer look at why. The 2025 Mahindra Scorpio NZ8 is the perfect SUV for Indian roads and adventure seekers alike. Body, exterior design. The Mahindra Scorpio NZ8 commands attention with its bold and muscular design, staying true to its SUV DNA. The front grille features Mahindra's new Twin Peaks logo, surrounded by chrome accents that enhance its premium appeal. The LED headlamps with dynamic D or Ls and the sharp, sculpted bonnet give it a dominant and aggressive look. The side profile boasts strong character lines, 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, and flared wheel arches, emphasizing its rugged stance. At the rear, you'll find vertical, LED tail lamps, a roof spoiler, and a sculpted tailgate with bold badging, completing its sporty yet sophisticated design. With its muscular styling and modern elements, the Scorpio NZ8 is built to turn heads. Safety and build quality. Safety is a top priority in the Scorpio NZ8, making it a reliable SUV for families and adventurers. Standard safety features include 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, ESC, and rear parking sensors. Advanced driver assistance features, ADAS, in the Z8, include forward collision warning, lane departure warning, driver drowsiness detection, 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility in tight spots. The Scorpio N's high-strength steel structure ensures superior crash protection, earning it a 5-star global NCAP safety rating. With its advanced safety features, the Scorpio NZ8 provides peace of mind on every journey. Outro. So, what do you think of the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio NZ8? With its bold design, powerful performance, luxurious interiors, and off-road capabilities, this SUV is a perfect choice for Indian roads and adventures. Whether you're looking for a reliable family SUV or an off-road beast, the Scorpio NZ8 has it all. Let us know in the comments if the Scorpio NZ8 is your dream SUV. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.